What's up everybody? Super excited today to go ahead and review the Sony WF-1000XM4 earbuds. These are supposed to be some of the best earbuds out on the market today. I've reviewed some of the best Sony products on my channel, including the 1000XM4 headphones. The 1000XM5s are out. I'm going to go ahead and review those for you guys soon. But today we're going to go ahead and review the 1000XM4 earbuds. Let's see how well these guys sound. I'll make a call, test the music, give you my honest opinion if these are worth the hefty price tag. But before I unbox and review the Sony 1000XM4s, please give us a like for the hard work. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. Check out techvisibility.com. That's the biggest favor you could do for us. Now let's get into this unboxing and review. Alright, so the Sony 1000XM4s or the WF-1000XM4s, really neat packaging. It's almost like a little purse, guys. That's how it feels, kind of weird, or a luggage I should say. But anyway, over here, this is how you would open the tab. There's some serial information. This is the black version of it in terms of color. Now these do come in different colors, so you could get these in black or white currently, and they go for around $278 to $280. Now of course you may be able to find these on sale at certain times. So to open it, you have to peel it like this, and once you open it, this tab of serial information pops out. This is a cool engraved, it looks like recycled thick cardboard. It opens up like so, and then in here is another box that has the 1000XM4s. Before I get into the good stuff, let's see what else is in the packaging. And very recycle or eco-friendly packaging from Sony. I could feel it. Inside you have your two earbuds. There's a LED. You connect with the app and then pair it. So manual and instructions on how to keep them clean. Not much here in terms of what I feel like is important is just cleaning information. In here, they're noise canceling, obviously, so it tells you a little bit how to use them. And we should look at this, and I always show these to you guys where you could pause and come your phone, and that's pretty much it. Now here's the good part. So right one is double click to answer a call, and on the right double click to end the call. This is not very helpful in my opinion as a manual. Now there is pause and play as a single click, or on the headphone it doesn't tell you how to adjust volume that I could see here, so you would have to do it, it looks like, on the phone. All right, let's get this stuff that's not fun out of the way. Let's go further, dig into this box. Now in this box, another recycled box, it feels recycled. You have two different ear cups, so small, large, and then the mediums are on there. On the other side of the box, a little small, I would say 5-inch, 4-inch USB-A to USB-C cable. And this is pretty cool because again, a USB-A to USB-C cable could be used for many different things, and that's neat that they include it. We'll test it with the original ear tips on there. Now here you got a little bit of a peel, and you got black kind of recycled paper over this case with some tape. I did go ahead and remove it here. I'm gonna put that there. So really neat packaging. First impression, feels really good. This is a matte black or a deep dark black. I wouldn't even say it's matte. There's no satin to it. The flap opens pretty well. It stays up. That's one of my tests. I like the flap to stay up. I don't want it closing on me at different angles. First impression, these drivers are huge. Look how big they are, guys, in comparison to some of the other products I've reviewed. There's a overcharging or so the battery case does not die piece in there that holds the 3 contact tips. The 3 contact tips look like they're gold coated or copper coated. Overall, very impressed with the case. There is an indicator of green light, USB-C on the back. I love that they put it on the back, not the bottom, so then you don't have to lay it flat, but you could lay it like this and charge it. And overall, there's some serial information that's engraved. Sony is not engraved. You can't feel it, which is a bummer, but that's not a big thing. Very neat look on these. Again, you got a right indicator. There seems to be some type of sensor here, a mic input. Looks like there's another mic input here and maybe another mic input there. So it's not bad. Overall, let's see how these look in my ears. So left and right indicators, you pop them in and you want to twist them so that they fit snug in your ear. And right now they are fitting pretty snug. So this is how they look, guys. I'm gonna turn around. I got them in there. They feel good. They don't feel like they're gonna fall out. The right one does feel a little bit more loose than the left. I might change the tip, but so far it's not bad. Now, would I go jogging with these? Probably not. You guys have seen on the size of these Sony 1000XM4s, they're huge, so they're not gonna stand. This driver's big. I'm expecting a lot of sound from these, probably a lot more than I would expect from anything else out there, but they're big, man. They are big, and they feel a little heavy in my ear. Not a bad thing. They could be a good audiophile earbud with noise canceling, so we're gonna find out once we pair. So I got the Headphones Connect app up and I'm pairing them right now. You wanna click connect, and overall, we just need to go ahead and power them on. Now, there's a kind of a button press here, as they said, indicated on the thing. So you go ahead and press them and then click next. So it's registering and pairing nearby headphones. Okay, so it found the headphone here. I'm gonna tap to connect and register. That's how it works. So it has connected to the headphones. We are okay. It says registered. It says battery's about 70%. That's great. And overall, I'm enjoying the app. You have 360 reality sound, which we're gonna go ahead and fine tune these earbuds to make sure that they are up to par in what I personally like. I mean, I want the full experience to give you guys, and I'm gonna start the setup. So overall, they are pretty incredible. Okay, so I'm recording my iPhone screen. We are gonna go ahead and do the testing of the adaptive sound, and we'll display that on the screen as well. So it says take a photo. I say okay, and it says it's going to be automatic shooting.
Turn your head slowly to the right.
So you got to turn your head slowly.
Please do not move your head.
Okay.
Captured photo.
And now you're doing the right ear. So let's see.
Remove the head. Turn your head slowly to the left. Captured photo.
Okay, now I captured photo of my ears for the 360 sound. Let's see what happens next. It says it's analyzing my ears. I can't believe more companies haven't done this. Leave me a comment. Let me know if I have weird looking ears. Some people said I do, and some of it's caused by some jiu-jitsu that I do that they have become inflamed. So right now it says my ears have been analyzed successfully. It goes to step 2. And it asks for which type of service that we can do with the audio, and you could do later. So overall, setup is complete. So now you don't need to register a service to do it. We're going to the dashboard. You have voice assistant. It's looking great. The indicator in the app, and as on the app that I'm recording with the screen, you could see it. So I'm gonna go ahead and update it. It says it's transferring the latest headphone software. It's more for software based, but we're gonna go ahead and play some music. I always play some rap music first just to get some bass, and then I play different type of songs as well. But because I've been playing rap music for bass, I have to kind of stick with that whole scenario just to give you a good comparison with some of the other earbuds that I have reviewed. Okay, here we go. All right, I'm playing a rap song right now. Let's see. So very good sound. I'm not gonna say they're like wow through the roof for $280. I've gotten good sound out of different earbuds for a lot less, to be honest with you, and I'm just being realistic. So although I'm playing a song on them right now, I'm not getting a like a jaw-dropping sound experience. It's very clear. It's in my opinion, you know, excellent in terms of quality of sound, and I'm listening to it right now, but it's not to the point where I am blown away. Okay, and I've enabled different settings here, still trying to change it to get the ear shape. My ear shapes have been analyzed. I don't know if it did anything. Noise canceling is on. I got clear bass. I could do mellow, and mellow just doesn't do it. Here's bass boost. So I got bass boost. You're not getting over the top bass with these guys. I don't know. I'm gonna say they sound great, but I'm not gonna go over the top and say these are worth $280. That's just my honest opinion. So let's play a different song. Let's see if there's something else. Okay, so this is not a bass song. This is not a rap song. It's a very famous song, Wicked Games. And we're probably showing a different song for copyright reasons on the screen. But overall, they sound pretty clear right now. And it sounds a little bit more in tune with what I like to hear from a really good acoustic from these earbuds. They're not bad, guys, so don't get me wrong. They're not horrible earbuds. They're just not what I expect for the price, okay? And I have ambient sound on. So, pause it. And these touch controls allow you to change sound modes. So overall, it's pretty good. So I'll be honest, the sound is good. They're great, don't get me wrong, but are they $300 great? That's the biggest question, and I'm gonna say no. I'd rather have the headphones. That's a way different experience and a much better sound. I'd rather have the BOSE Quiet Comfort Earbuds as well. Okay, now let's make a call. What's up, June? How are you? Cool. Yeah, I'm testing the Sony WF-1000XM4s. How do I sound? Okay, cool. All right, let me see if I can change settings so it's a little bit better. All right. Yeah, you sound clear. They're great. I mean, overall they're good, but they're expensive, and I don't think I was blown away. Yeah. Well, I appreciate you picking up. All right, thanks, man. Bye. So that was that. Overall, they're great. I think you know, I'm kind of stunned. I was really expecting more. I'm sorry, but they're just good. They're not $300 good or near that price good. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. Check out techvisibility.com. Leave a comment. Like the video if you liked it and you felt you could relate. Again, these are not bad. I wouldn't buy them for $300 personally. I'd probably buy something else. But overall, that's my honest opinion. Also, subscribe to the channel if you have not done so already. Thank you for watching.